Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning Space. In this video, we are going to know how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Android. So without doing a time waste, let's start this video. Subscribe to Learning Space and hit the bell icon to see learning videos. So guys, if you have to make a thumbnail in your Android, you need one application, pixellab. This application easily you can install from the help of Google Play Store. So already I installed a pixellab. Let's open a pixellab. So here you can see a pixellab. Pixellab you can see. Okay, we will click a pixellab and this is our application is open. Pixellab. So guys, here you can see a three dot option you can see. We will click a three dot option and you can see use image from gallery. So we have to use image from gallery, you can see. So guys, we will click use image from gallery and here we have two images. We will select any one image. We will select this image and according to see yes, so you can see our image we search and here you will get a ratios. Okay, so image is over here, our image you can see. So guys, just what we have to do is we have to text something, new text you can see, a option you can see. So we will click a option over here. So a option we click, so we get other so many options about it related to text. So text we will edit, so edit option we will click and we will text how to make thumbnail, we will text here. Okay, so okay, over here the option of okay you can see the okay option. We will click the okay option over here and how to make a thumbnail you can see, but this thumbnail I cannot see. That's why we will take a color, select a color, red, green. So color we will select red. So opacity we will keep opacity 77. So and more options we have here. Size not this much. Size we will keep 111%. and after that here we have so many other options. Font, we will click font and which font you like you can select your font. So my fonts, so I didn't have my fonts, so just we will take this. So this font I like. So guys, we will take a color. Yes, so background there is no background. Spacing not, so spacing we will keep 15%. So guys, after that stroke guaranteed we will keep. So guys, after that this 3D rotate everything other, and this is our another option we click. This option we click, you can see this option we will get more options, arrow arrow like that. If you have to keep in your thumbnail arrow or your video is related to arrow, you can keep a arrow. Okay, draw. So here whatever you have to draw, you can draw. If you have to erase, you can erase like this. Okay, so after that we will click this option, crop. If you have to crop, you can crop your image. So we crop our image, done. So you can see our image is cropped. Image okay, this is better, man. 1 minute. Image, so here we will get image. I don't know where is my photo is gone. So guys, my photo is gone now, no problem. We will select this background, not this. We will select this background, and again we will click 3-dot option, use image from gallery. We will use this image. Yes, done. We will be done. So now our image is back. So from camera, everything, and here we will click now this option. So this is our more options we will get. We'll keep 30%. So noise. So this is also we will keep 30. Brightness we will keep 7%, minus 7%. So again we will click here and we will get same options. Okay guys, so guys here we will get options. So guys, if you have to if you didn't like this project, if you didn't like this thumbnail, see here delete option, you can see over here, you can see delete. We will click delete. So here confirmation, delete the selected object. Okay, so what you text, that is now delete. And here again we will go in this, and you can more option you will get over here. And if you have to save to gallery, you will click the image is saved in gallery. So let's check in gallery. Okay, we will exit. Let's check in the gallery. So here you can see gallery, we will click. So here our project is saved. You know guys, we didn't text anything, that's why we cannot understand, but we keep our effects like this. So this is our thumbnail from pixellab. So guys, this is my today's video. If you will like my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to see learning videos. Thank you and goodbye.